Hello, my business owner friends. This is Avirup, the Chief HR Strategist of Grip Consultant, and in this video series, we are bringing you the people problems faced by small business owners and some solutions to them. Please do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell button. In the last video, I shared some solutions about how you can hire good people. And then a related problem to that is after you hire, how do you retain them? I keep hearing this from my clients who are small business owners that no point investing in those people, as anyway they will leave me for rupees 200 or 300 rupees hike. So today let's talk about the problem number 2. How can you retain your people? Most of my clients, not all, but most of them, blame the employee for not sticking around. And sometimes it's important to look in the mirror also. As I had mentioned earlier, let's keep an open mind when talking about solutions. Now I would request all my business owner friends to take a step back and think for a moment as an employee. For an employee to look for a job, he or she has to do a lot of hard work. Think about it. Like preparing a CV, look for a job, updating job sites, go for interviews, take leave, and you'll not get granted the leave, and then you'll have more problems, pay money to the consultants, by that get cheated also, and also get rejected in a number of interviews. And then finally comes an offer, and maybe an offer with some hike. So I hope you're trying to understand, my dear friends. To get there, he or she, your employee, has to really work hard. Don't you think instead of that, he or she would have been more happy to stick to his own job rather than keep on looking for another one? So coming to the point, what makes an employee stick to the job? Number 1, it's respect. If you abuse, shout, misbehave, disregard, treat them as slaves, mistrust the person, then the person will not stick around. Are you that kind of a person? Think about it. What kind of a boss you are? Employees will make mistakes. Don't we all do mistakes? But if you give it back with anger and temper and shout at them, well, maybe there could be other ways to manage that. Number 2, reward them, not just with a salary, but small things, as in early leaving office, an extra day off, a paid holiday trip, t-shirts, vouchers, gifts for the family, or maybe just a thank you note and a certificate. It does not cost much, but goes a long way. A lot of my business owner friends have told my employees only understand money and nothing else. Maybe because you as a business owner, you as a boss, maybe only understand money from them and not look at the effort they are putting in and rewarding them for the same. Think about it. And finally, number 3, link paycheck to purpose. Empower them. Make them feel important, part of the gang, part of your organization. Make that belongingness. Why they will be with you? What is that offering that you have for them? What is the USP? And that's what will add value. How they are adding value to you and your organization. That will create that sense of ownership in them. Trust me, my dear friends, they will give their life for your organization and they will really be part of it. That's how employees stick around an organization for 10, 20 and more. And then there will be millennials who would want more. And still people will leave you. So what's the plan B for that? Well, for that, keep watching this series. Do subscribe, share and comment, and also do share with me if you as a small business owner are facing any specific people issue, and let me try to give solutions to you. Till then, stay safe, stay strong, and have a great life.